Hi, it's Emily from the library, and I'm going to make a quick video to show you how to make the yarn pumpkins for our yarn pumpkin garland. You should have instructions that will be printed out with some images to go alongside them in your bag with all your materials, but thought I would make a quick video just to help you visualize it if it's a little hard to gauge what's happening in the printed photos. So in your bag you'll have a bunch of different yarn bundles, and each bundle will be one pumpkin. To make one pumpkin I'll need one bundle, one piece of matching pre-cut string. These should be in the small Ziploc bag, and then pipe cleaner that I'll use for the stem, and it'll help me fasten it to the garland. So I'm going to straighten out my yarn and make sure it has no knots before I start wrapping it. If you would like, you can make a little cardboard template like 4 inches by 3 inches and wrap your string around this, but it's easy enough to do by your hands if that's not an issue, so I'm going to start wrapping around my hand. So I'm going to take my string and I'm wrapping it from my pointer finger to my pinky finger. And I'm going to try to wrap it tightly. The tighter I wrap it, the more together the pumpkin will look. And this should wrap around your hand a good number of times. When making my garland, I'm thinking of doing alternating colors like white, orange, white, orange, and we'll see how that goes. So I finished my pumpkin. Now I'm going to leave it on my hand. I'm going to take my string and use it to tie. So I'm going to go through the gaps in my fingers, push it out. It's a little tight, but it's doable. And now I found it on the other side, and now I'm going to take this off, both sides off of my fingers. Gently switch it off from side to side. Now I'm going to take that one piece of string that I'm still holding, that wraps around, I'm going to wrap it very tightly. So I'm going to tie it. Here, I'm going to tie it very tight, and then I'm going to knot it. So now I have this little bundle, and I'm just going to fluff it out into a pumpkin shape. Now I have these loose strands, and I could tuck them in, or I can cut them off, whatever I prefer. The final step is taking your pipe cleaner, you put it into the middle, put it under one string. I'm going to go for that string in the middle that's tying it all together. I'm about halfway, and here is if I wanted to get the garland now, I could tighten the top 2 pieces and wrap it around. So now I have one pumpkin and I have 4 more to go. And that is how you make the yarn pumpkins. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at the library, or you can email me at ehampston@paylessparklibrary.org, or you can call and ask for Emily. Happy crafting, and I hope you guys enjoy your fall. Goodbye!